is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying this video so far. I wanted to come on and of course thank you, but also let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I'm a member of the group Heaven's Pearls. Now we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers, and every month we bring you a different video with a different message. Now as we begin 2023, for our first video, we wanted to remind you of God's love. Now as we begin to think about celebrating Valentine's Day next month, we hoped again to remind you that the Lord loves you. And as Lamentations 3:22 through 23 says, "It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because his compassions fail not. They are new every morning. Great is thy faithfulness." So again, I hope that you will go and visit all of the ladies. I left links to their channels in the description box. We'll be back next month with another video. And again, like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in another video. And remember, God loves you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or wonderful night.